Bayo.
Bayo.
You have
Yes.
so many clothes over there.
Where did you get bayo?
When I was young, I have so many bayo. So the angel.
So
Then-
the engine?
Where's
Oh.
then now? Where's
It's angel is perfect fit on me.
no?
Angel's bayo. Gamay pa is
Ah.
perfect fit on me.
Hmm.
I wear
Your
them.
body and body of Tita Angel is
The
the
same.
same. That's why the clothes of Tita Angel will fit you.
Ay,
But
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 I will,
but
I will,
I like your feet now.
no, it's pretty dirty.
But
Hey,
Angel is a girl and you
wait,
and a boy.
Wait.
Uh,
I'll build money for my store, but I will get Kara stuck at the house, but you will live happy.
No.
Explain me why I need to give you a 10 pesos.
$10.
Because I want to build when I will build katong build you gonna the people will give me 50. The people will give me $5 and people will give me $300 and will gonna get me expensive bio for the new one.
Hmm?
I'm gonna need a lot of paint for that.
Then you
The price of that is expensive. That's 1,000.
where did you buy in
Three
mall?
zeros. When that is super expensive and people like it to buy one. But they're gonna need a lot of money to get that. I'll give that money to all people and they need the children need bio. That's
You
because that is for Kiara. Her playroom, her brother's room to meeting, and her playroom for kids and for girls. And lastly, her room. And for you guys, I build you a fancy room. Gonna make that t-shirt expensive.